Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain how to convert a decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal number, and vice versa. So before I start, go and subscribe the channel and like the video. Alright, so let's start. In order to understand what I'm doing in this video, I created a short table of the conversions, so it will help us to understand. I'm not going to explain what is a binary number, octal or hexadecimal. I assume that if you're looking for it, you know what it meant for. Okay, the functions that I'm going to use in this video will be the int function, bin, oct and hex functions. So let's start. Let's say I want to convert this number. Okay, one more thing before I explain. In Python you have three kind of syntaxes, which by design are meant to convert the decimal numbers to a specific format. So the syntaxes are, I will put it in the comment out, will be 0b, it means binary, okay, 0o octal, 0x hexadecimal, okay. Let me get rid, no, let's keep it. So let's say we have a number, we have a binary number 1001, which is 9 in decimal, okay. One thousand and one, okay. And since we are going to convert it to binary, I'm adding the syntax. Okay, look, we just got the conversion. Okay, and let's say we want to convert it to octal. It should be no, we want to convert an octal 11 to 10. So octal 11 is 11. We want to add the syntax O. Wait, it happened. No, sorry, it should be octal 11, right? And why it's not converting? 11. Oops. Yeah, just did what we were looking for. It converted to 9. Sorry. And let's say we want to convert an hexadecimal number to decimal number. Let's take 0b. 0b. Let's change the syntax to x. And we got 11. Let's see 0b11. Okay. So this is the first way how to convert these numbers. The second way is I can use only the int function. It works only with strings. So let's say this time our number variable will be a string, and we want to convert it to the same decimal format. So this time it will be a function int. I'm going to put here my variable number, and we want to tell the int function which base we want to use to convert it to. So let's say we want to convert it to base 2, which means base 10. Okay. Wait. Yeah. When I forgot to mention that when we are using it, I have to change. I have to remove the syntaxes. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, 1001. It's 9. Okay, let's do the same with octal. Let's convert 13. Octal is base 8. Okay, 11, and let's say 0f. 0f, want to convert to base 16. All right, easy. Okay, now let's do the vice versa. Let's say you want to convert a specific number to a specific format, let's say to binary. Okay, so let's say we have 16. No, 9. I prefer to play with smaller numbers. Now we want to print the binary number of number. Okay, it will always print the binary number, octal, and the hexadecimal number, including the syntax. So in this case, we wanted to convert number 9, which is the decimal, to binary number. The Python adding the syntax, and it gives us the binary number. Okay, let's do the same for, let's say, 11, but we want to convert it to octal. Okay, 11 in octal, wait, it's 13. Okay, now let's do the same, but this time let's convert to hexadecimal. Should be 0f, no, it should be f. Okay, as you can see, it added the 0x syntax, and it gave us the hexadecimal answer. So that's it. I hope you understood the video, and again, if you liked it, like the video and subscribe the channel. See ya on the next video.